Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Venus, rules Taurus, Libra, exaltation Pisces, detriment Aries, fall Scorpio, responsible, love, sex, married, property, GIF, mirror of vanity of the goddess Venus, represents, social urge, sense of value, anatomy, throat, chin, cheeks, sense of taste, kidneys, ovaries, internal reproductive organs, venous blood circulation, sensory organs of skin. Keyword, affection. General, never located more than 46 degrees distant from the Sun. Venus is the planet of love. In early times it was called the lesser benefit. Rules art, culture, aesthetics, possessions, partners, beauty, charm, good taste, sentimentality, sweets and sugar, color, harmony, poetry, paintings, jewelry, singing, drama and music. Venus's action is gentle and harmonious. Governs emotional contacts, tenderness, moral character, marriage and unions of all kinds. Also, sociability, disposition, luxuries, pleasure and appreciation. Venus is the planet of love and sensuality, not sex. Where you find Venus in the chart shows what you really enjoy. Fourth house, private. It shows your private life, home, endings, property, apparent, foundation, latter part of life. Natural sign is Cancer. Natural ruler is Moon. Keyword is security. Fourth house, the house of endings and water. Quality is angular house. General. The fourth house shows that your home and your parents, your family comes from, your roots, and the house you are going to establish. This includes your heritage, genetics and ancestors, psychological origins and your private life. This house shows properties, such as housing or real estate, and all that is secluded. It is the home of the end of life, the end of all problems, the reputation after death and the burial place. It shows that parents have a greater influence over you as a child, your subjective self and the foundation on which you build your personality. Venus in fourth house. Whether you live alone or with other members of your family, you love nothing better than coming home to a peaceful environment where you can relax and enjoy the comforts and, if necessary, a pleasant conversation. Your home is a centerpiece because you love to decorate and entertain. You seem to have a knack for choosing eye-catching colors and the right decorations for the home. Your goal is not to impress others, but rather to decorate your home with all your favorite things so that you can make the most of your surroundings. The end result is usually an attractive and graceful home. You cannot resist being surrounded by beauty inside and outside your home. You like to feel like you are home and family, enjoying the company of your family members, especially women. Register to see free online horoscopes. You register quickly via Facebook or by email. Step 2. Enter your date of birth. Find the city of birth according to the syntax: city, state, country. Check your date of birth. Step 3. Your date of birth information will be assigned to an ID code. You use this ID code to view the horoscope online in different tabs.
Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please tell me. If you want free horoscopes, please watch below video.
Thank you.
See you in the next video.